One of the basic popular technical indicators are simple moving average prices. And they're simply defined as the average of prices over some time period in the past. And on the right, we have a interactive plot of the SPY ETF prices and the simple moving average SMA. So we can see that the blue line are the SPY prices, the red line is the SMA, and the shape of the SMA curve depends on the length of the look-back window, the time window. So it's set here to 21 days. If we increase it, the moving average becomes smoother, but it also increases its time delay or time lag. So you can see that the red line reaches its minimum much later than the blue line. So there's this lag also referred to as a bias. But the advantage of a longer window is that the moving average is a very smooth curve. So it's easy to see the trend in the prices, upward trend or downward trend. So in order to remove some of the bias and lag, we can decrease the length of the look-back window. And we can see now that the moving average follows much closer to the SPY, but it also wiggles a lot more. So we can see that it may actually drop down and create some kind of false positives.